So this is just a before washing. You can see it's very dirty. I think some building work going on. Sorry about the background noise, it's very loud. I don't know if you can see, but it's quite dirty. Even the wheels. So the products I'll be using is, so I'll wash on the car. Then afterwards I'll use a snow foam. So the one I'm using is Finesse Avalanche. Sorry about the background noise. Then after foaming the car, I'll be using the Shampoo Autoglym. Then I'll use the Clean Wheels Autoglym product with a brush. And for the tire shine, I'll be using Meguiar's with the applicant. And at the end, I'll be using Demon Shine with this pump. So also snow foam, I'll be using Autoglym. I'll link all the products in the description. Also, I'll be using the Meguiar's bucket. So this is just after applying the product. As you can see, it's not agitated. This is after all that, just agitating with a brush. So as you can see, that's right before. So I just done the spray down of the snow foam. It's, I would say, like around 95%, but you can still see a bit of dirt there, so you'll need some contact wash. So I'll be doing that next. Demon Shine now. Spray all over the car and wipe it down. I'm all done. After the contact wash, just wiped it down. Sorry, after the contact wash, I used Demon Shine. Oh. Yeah, so I used the Demon Shine. And yeah, just wipe it down. The wheels are matte, so you won't get that glossy finish. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result. Only thing I would say is this wheel cleaner brush is really crap, and Autoglym, it doesn't do the job without the brush, without agitating, but everything else seems fine. But yeah, I've done the job. So actually I forgot to show you guys this tire shine. So the one I'm using on Meguiar's, I've been using for many years now. It stays about 2 to 3 weeks, so it's really good. So yeah, it stays like this for about 2 weeks, maybe even more. As you can see. Yeah, it's fairly good.